Okay, we're getting ready for. I didn't say yet. Well, Pipa's ready. We're watching old New Year's Eve parade from London. We got some fireworks here just for the kids. Nothing big. Okay. And we got some dessert and stuff. Okay. So that we're gonna do some sparklers right now, and maybe some of these. I think they're like bottle rockets. Are you ready, Pipa? Go ahead, blow it. Okay. Hold on, let me do mommy's first. Okay, give it to mommy.
It's not gonna miss him.
Mommy and Fifi's got it. Let me see if I can do this one here. Put this here. Hey, wait. There we go. Got 2 sparklers. You want to hold it, Pipa? We're getting ready for. You hold it right there. Okay. Got it? Cool. Go over here, Pipa. Go on this side, this side. Okay. Cool. All right, you guys go over there so I can. Okay. There. See? Getting ready for the New Year's, guys. We got our heavy-duty fireworks here. Everyone's jealous of our fireworks. You like the fireworks, Fifi? Wow. There's Pipa. Cool. Hi, Pipa. She got it. You're doing it. Show Daddy. Go like this in front like that. Cool. Yeah.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Whoops.
I'm scared. I don't want to make it yet.
You don't want to make it move? Put it together.
No!
Beep, beep, beep.
I can't make this.
This one right here, guys. This is the special silver fountain. Just a small one. Okay. Gonna light it up here, guys. It's a small one. That was it. Did you like that one?
Yeah.
Next one on the agenda is, okay, so just another fountain. Oh, this is from made in Bulacan. Okay. That was it. How'd you guys like that one? That was cool. So we're gonna do another one of these. We did this earlier. This is the silver, or the special silver fountain small one, okay? Let's check this out. Okay.
Right on the way.
Oh, that's a big fountain. Whoa. How was that?
Wow.
That was cool, huh?
That was awesome.
Did you like that one? Fifi? Cool. Flower Festival Jumbo Fountain. Let's see what this is all about. Okay. Happy New Year, guys. Cool. 6RC. So, this looks like it has some Roman candles in here. We'll check it out. So, like this way. I don't know if I lit that all the way. Oh, cool. Oh, there you go. There you have it, guys. Happy New Year. That was it. That was it, guys. Did you guys like the fireworks?
I want more.
Go ahead, blow it.
Blow it,
Say
Fifi.
Happy New Year.
Say Happy New
Happy
Year.
New
Owen.
There we go. All done. The kids had fun. You had fun?
Ma.
You want more? Fifi, did you have fun?
You want more food to do, Fifi?
Huh, Fifi, you had fun?
Ito, hindi ito maubos.
All right. Happy 2024, guys.
Say, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Ma.
And we got some leche flan here. I'm gonna tear that up. What else do we have here? We got some stuff from Red Ribbon. What is this? Cheese roll or something?
I got chocolate.
And then some brownies. You guys ready to dig in? Well, if you guys are awake when it's time to dig in. Oh yeah.
Chocolate.
Yeah. You're already almost done with that one. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
We're waiting for Mommy. She's getting the food. We got some food delivered here for New Year. Look at this. This is what Pipa's doing.
Oh, Mommy's coming.
Oh, Mommy's coming. Oh. All right, Mommy's got some food. Let's see what we got there. Let's see what Mommy has. We got some stuff here.
Yeah,
Some shucks chickens to go. Whoa, that's what we're eating. That's what I'm talking about. How many orders did it take? We ordered 3 things. They all got canceled because it's so busy. on New Year's.
Picking me up. Picking me up.
Pipi, wipe your sipon, Pipi.
Picking me up. Picking me up.
Oh, my goodness.
This is our New Year's, guys. New Year's Eve. Just hanging out of the house. Hope you guys have a happy New Year. Bye-bye.